Carbide burr-die grinder tool bits, especially those made in the USA, offer precision, durability, and versatility for a wide range of sculpting projects. When it comes to skull sculpting, these high-quality tools become indispensable for artists and hobbyists alike. Whether you're working with wood, foam, or soft stone, the right combination of ball and cone burrs can help you achieve intricate details and professional results. To begin your skull sculpting project, start by selecting a suitable piece of material. Wood, foam, or soft stone all work well with carbide burrs. Secure your material safely, ensuring it won't move as you work. Once your workspace is ready, choose a ball-shaped carbide burr. The round profile of the ball burr is ideal for roughing out the larger, rounded forms of the skull. Using your die grinder, gently guide the ball burr along the surface, gradually shaping the cranium and the basic outline of the skull. The sharpness and precision of USA-made carbide burrs allow for smooth, consistent removal of material, reducing the risk of chipping, tearing, or splintering, especially with softer materials like foam and wood. As you start to define the eye sockets, switch to a smaller ball burr if you need tighter curves or more control. The spherical shape lets you hollow out the eye sockets with accuracy, creating deep, rounded recesses that give the skull its characteristic haunting expression. Work slowly, letting the burr do the cutting, and frequently check your progress to maintain symmetry and depth. For sharper features like the jawline, cheekbones, and nasal cavity, a cone-shaped carbide burr is your best friend. The tapered point of the cone burr is perfect for outlining the jaw, chiseling the subtle lines of the zygomatic arch, and defining the bridge and openings of the nose. Move the cone burr in controlled strokes, tracing the contours you want to emphasize. The hard-wearing carbide ensures that even after extensive use, your burr will maintain its sharpness and precision, enabling you to achieve crisp, clean lines and fine details. If you're working with soft stone, the robust construction of these carbide burrs ensures longevity and consistent performance. Unlike lesser quality bits, USA-made carbide burrs resist dulling and can handle the demands of tougher materials without losing their edge. This means you spend less time changing bits and more time perfecting your sculpture. As you refine your skull, alternate between the ball and cone burrs as needed. Use the ball burr to smooth out transitions and shape rounded areas, while the cone burr carves out fine details and sharp lines. Don't forget to use light pressure and keep the tool moving to prevent heat buildup and possible damage to your material or the burr. Once the primary features are in place, you can use smaller burrs for finishing touches like adding cracks, teeth, or subtle surface textures. The versatility of carbide burrs means you can experiment with different shapes and sizes to achieve the exact effect you want, whether you're aiming for a realistic skull or a stylized, spooky design perfect for Halloween. If you found this guide helpful, or if you have your own tips and tricks for skull sculpting, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, product features, and creative inspiration. And be sure to leave your Halloween-themed comments below. Let us know what you're making this season or share your own skull sculpting success stories. Happy sculpting!